Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Captain Blue. We are back with another video. So make sure that you click that subscribe button if you're interested in what the boy is cooking. So today we are going to be looking at Euro USD, as you can see, H4 time frame here. Here's Euro USD H4 time frame. So remember we always do our analysis on H4 time frame, and last week it was NFP day. So here's the NFP candlestick. As you can see, it never did any big movements like how we are expecting NFP to react. So but this week we are having a CPI. So with this analysis, make sure that you monitor this analysis until Tuesday, which is CPI. So let's get it. So first we are definitely going to mark our overall high here and our overall low here, right? And you can definitely see that the market was in a downtrend. The market was in a downtrend, as you can see, and then from here, that's where the market started pushing to the upside, meaning that's a change of character. The market started changing direction until where it is today. You understand? Because it was breaking the what? It was breaking the lows here. It was breaking the lows, and then from here it started taking out the highs. You understand? It started taking out the highs. So let us start with today's analysis. So if you can check where the market gave us an overall high there, we have the last bearish bullish candlestick before the push to the downside, which is this one. So we are going to mark that candlestick as our supply zone, and you can definitely see here the market respected that supply zone very well. You understand? The market respected that supply zone very well. So meaning we might see the market pushing to the downside this week. You understand? We might see a bearish market. We might see a bearish market. So, but we always follow our analysis, and what our analysis tells us, we're definitely going to follow what the market says. You understand? So if you can check here, we have a break of structure to the downside. You understand? We have a break of structure to the downside, which is this one here, which is that one there. You understand? And then that's how the market was breaking structures to the downside. And then we have a second break of structure, which is here. Second break of structure. And then here we also have our third break of structure. So let's keep cloning, marking our break of structures, marking all our break of structures there. You understand? So you don't have to leave out anything. Mark everything so that whenever the market starts moving in a certain way, you don't get confused. You understand? Or you don't start asking yourself endless questions. So we had our last BOS here. You understand? We had our last break of structure there, and then from there the market started pushing to the upside. You understand? So we have a supply zone here. You understand? Which is this bearish candlestick before this whole push to the upside. You understand? So let us mark this black candlestick as our demand zone. As you can see, it was never tested, right? So this is our demand. This is our demand zone. You understand? That's our demand zone. So as now we have marked where the market was definitely pushing in a downtrend, now we need to check out what caused the market to start pushing to the upside. You understand? Firstly, we got a change of character here. The reason why we are calling it a change of character, that's the first high the market took out, and then from there it started pushing to the upside. because that's a shift, market structure shift. You understand? It was breaking lows, and then now here it started breaking highs with this push to the upside. You understand? And then here we also had a break of structure, meaning the market started breaking structures to the upside. That's a BOS. After creating this change of character here, it started breaking structures to the upside. You understand? And then also we have another BOS here. We have another BOS there. This is our last break of structure. So if you can check, also here we had a supply zone, but it seems like this supply zone was able to hold the market from there to here, and then from there it seems like the buyers were in control of the market. That's where the market took out that supply zone, because it was targeting what? The extreme supply zone, which is this one. And you can definitely see that after reacting from that extreme supply zone, the market started pushing to the downside, respecting the extreme supply zone. You understand? So this one, for those who sold the market from here, they ate, but definitely they should have targeted the extreme supply zone, because this here, it was inducement. You understand? It's where the market gives you what? A false confirmation. You understand? Reason being, it's because here there was liquidity resting above this area that needs to be taken out. We had a lot of sellers in the market who took sells from this area. You understand? So that's our liquidity area. That's our liquidity area. So as you can see, I'll just give you a moment to check how we marked everything. You understand? So here, right, buy side liquidity has been taken. You understand? Buy side liquidity has been swept. This one here, it was swept by this move here. You understand? It was swept by that move there. This move here that pushed to the upside. You understand? Since the market was pushing to the upside like that, it was also leaving sell side liquidity, which is resting just below this level. You understand? We have sell side liquidity resting just below that level. You understand? Just above that demand zone. So we are just going to push the market to here, since we are analyzing for what? For this coming week. You understand? And then we extend everything to the right. We extend everything to the right. So if you can check there, we have this supply, this area of liquidity here, sell side liquidity that's resting here. You understand? And then just above that area, we have a second demand zone here. You understand? Also, that demand zone was never tested. It's still fresh, as you can see. So this demand zone here, the second demand zone, it's going to act as your what? As your first TP. You understand? Whenever you take the cells, that demand zone is going to act as your first TP. Why? Also, we have liquidity resting where? Just below this area. You understand? Just above that demand zone. We have a lot of buy side liquidity resting there, because with that area, that's where a lot of people took their buys. You understand? Here, that's where a lot of people took buys. And then, as you can see, the market started what? Buying. You got a break of structure indicating that the market is buying. And then from here, that's where it started rejecting, because it was targeting the what? The extreme supply zone. So if you can check also, just on this area here, we have a fair value gap there. You understand? This is a fair value gap, FVG. So according to me, the market needs to come, or according to the strategy that I use, according to how I analyze the market, according to how I understand the market needs to come and take out this fair value gap, this liquidity, also this demand zone here. You understand? Meaning this week on Euro USD, I'll be expecting selling opportunities from that area. Probably put my stop loss here because it's gonna be a swing trade. I'll be swinging this trade. I'll be expecting selling opportunities from that area. My first target is gonna be this first demand zone. You understand? So I'll wait for the market to open, maybe come back here, and then I do what? I look for selling opportunities during London session. You understand? So also, if it takes out this demand zone, then that's where I can be targeting the extreme demand zone, which is this one here. This is the extreme demand zone. You understand? That's where I can be targeting the extreme demand zone, and then from that extreme demand zone, that's where I can start looking for sales or for buys. Sorry, I can start looking for buys. So these are this week's analysis on Euro USD. Understand? These are this week's analysis on Euro USD. So make sure that you monitor this setup if you are interested in taking in trading Euro USD this week. So this is the setup that we are looking at. You understand? This is the setup that we are looking at. So definitely once I get confirmation for this setup, I will send a signal to my VIP group. Remember, we also have a VIP group. The link, it's on the bio. Not for the VIP group, but if you want to access the VIP group, the link is on the bio. So I think we have reached the end of today's session. So make sure that you like, comment, share the video so that a lot of people who are interested in how we trade definitely don't miss out on this good selling opportunity that we are seeing on Euro USD.